Hey YouTube and FS2020 Fly Simmers, what's going on, brother? This morning I want to show you guys how to install your liveries that you get from their website. Right here, scroll down, this is the new package, the VA Mega Pack. You click on it, scroll down a little bit, click here to download. I already downloaded it, installed it, but I will show you where once you downloaded it, where is it going to go. And you could go right to the website, and on the website it shows you how to install Microsoft Flight Simulator. But as you can see, app data, local package, Microsoft Simulator, local catch, package community, and there's all your liveries. And once you open your aircraft selection, this is the Microsoft account. It doesn't matter which package you have. This is just my basic Microsoft account. You got your A320 here. You choose that one. You go to liveries once you install it, and there you go. You have all whatever livery you guys want to look for. Doesn't matter from what website you get your livery from, as long as you're able to install it, right? So yeah, it's quite a bet for the 320. So yeah, again, choose your aircraft. I'm sorry, aircraft. You know, you got the 747. You know, boom. You can see all the liveries they have for it. Choose another aircraft. Cub. I don't even know if they have one. Oh, they do. See, look at that. Yeah, quite a bit. So whatever aircraft you guys choose, they have one for it. Here's the Cessna 172, and look, you got different type of liveries for that aircraft. Well, I hope this video show you guys how to install your liveries into your um, FS2020 Microsoft account. This is how you do it. Again, app, local package, Microsoft local catch, package community. And there's all your liveries. You close it, you're done. Have fun and enjoy. Well, hope this was helpful. And keep on flying, brothers.